ICP Algebra 1, this is Chapter 3, GLF, worksheet number 4. Given the real-world application of a linear function, answer the following questions below. You and a group decide to join a local fitness club. The function C at M is equal to 7M plus 35, represents the monthly cost, Y in dollars, and the group of M joining. So our independent would be the members. That's the X value. The dependent would be the cost. That's your Y value. One group paid 133 to join. How many joined? So they paid 133. So you're going to go 7M plus 35 equals 133. Subtract 35 from both sides. So that's going to give me, what is that? Give me 98. Divide each side by 7. So that's going to give me 14. So I have 14 members that could have joined in this case. Letter C, your group has enough members for six people to join. So you're going to plug 6 in for your M value. So 7 times 6 plus 35. So that's 42 plus 35. So that's going to give you 77. That's how much it would cost for 6 people to join. Reasonable domain. Well, your domain, you're going to start out with $35 no matter what, no matter who joins or not, up to, infinity. I mean, that's goofy to think, but you wouldn't have infinity. Your range would be, your range is going to go from 35 on up as well, I'd say. And again, I'd clarify with your teacher on that, make sure you're good. And let's go down to number 3. Number 3 says, on a road trip, your car consumes gasoline at a rate of 2 gallons per hour. At the beginning of the trip, you started with 15 gallons in your tank. So write a function. So G at T. So you're going to do 2 gallons per hour, and you started with 15 gallons. Okay. How many gallons are in your tank after 5 hours? Actually, this is going to be a minus 15 because that's what you started with. So after, how much is in your tank after 5 hours? That's going to be 10 minus 15. So you would have 5 gallons still in your tank. I guess we should change this to a negative and make that a positive, and then that would be a negative 10 plus 5. There we go. That'd be more correct because it's losing a rate. Determine how long it will take the tank to be empty. So you're going to go negative 2H plus 15 equals 0. Subtract 15 from both sides. Divide each side by negative 2. So it looks like in negative 7.5 hours, 7.5 hours of driving, you'd have an empty tank. Ask your teacher about the domain and range. Make sure you feel good about that. And then number 5, F at negative 3 is right there. So that's going to be 0. F at 0 is going to be at 90. F at 3 is, that looks about to be about, you could say 150. It's probably like 148 or something like that. Intervals where it's increasing here. Okay, so it's going from negative 3 to positive 3. Where is it decreasing? It's decreasing here and here. So that's negative infinity, that's positive infinity. So it's decreasing from negative infinity to negative 3. And it's also decreasing from 3 to infinity. So it's going down.